I've got two inlets placed at the low point in my roadway here. I'll just turn off the referenced design file for the roadway. I've selected one of the inlets, and if we look at the drainage properties, we can see that the inlet location is set to in Sag. I've also got two gutters connected to this inlet approaching from the two sides. If I run catchment delineation, I'll select the inlet and then reset because I've got an active terrain. Because we've got two gutters approaching this Sag Inlet, we now delineate two catchments to that Sag Inlet instead of one. So if I pick one of those catchment areas, we can see that it's connected to the gutter and not connected to the Sag Inlet. And because these catchments are connected to the relevant gutters, when we compute the system, will get accurate approach flows from both sides of the inlet. And if we select one of those gutter polygons, we can see the spreads develop as we move towards that Sag Inlet. If I delineate the catchment to the inlet on the other side of the roadway, because it doesn't have two approach gutters, we get the one catchment area on both sides of the inlet. However, if I now locate two gutters feeding into that Sag Inlet, so there's one, and we'll just do the other one, then I can update that catchment by running the delineation option again. We'll select the node, and the fact that the inlet now has two approach gutters is detected, and we're offered the choice of replacing the single catchment area with two catchment areas, one on either side of the Sag Inlet.